It is coming up on 6:16. As we told you earlier, some pop-up showers today. Some folks saw some rain, thunderstorms, hail. Some people did not.
Yeah. You told Emma, thank you for making it very clear. I thought you were going to say the same to me.
I was
Were you heading that direction?
Yes,
Yeah.
but he reads my mind.
Well, it happens sometimes.
Fortunately, I don't have bubbles, Yeah. So
Thought
you don't know what
yeah,
I'm
right.
thinking all the time. Yeah.
If only if Russ Mitchell had thought bubbles, that would be.
It's a good thing you don't know what I'm thinking right now. That's for sure.
Well, I'll tell you what, guys, it's going to quiet down tonight. That's the good news. And then tomorrow, we're going to be weather aware again as we bring in some showers and thunderstorms tomorrow evening. So we'll take you through all that. First things first, our almanac is in today. Yesterday felt like an average day. It was. Today, average again, 83 degrees. Our average is 84. This is right where we should be this time of year. With all the extremes happening across the country right now, I think average is a good thing, especially here across Northeast Ohio. We've got dry highways, a little bit of haze in the atmosphere. That air quality alert still goes in effect till midnight tonight. We've had a little atmospheric haze and some smoke coming through. We highlighted this yesterday around this time, but that will be out of here tonight. 82 degrees right now. It's at 66 with that dew point. That measures how muggy it feels, and it does feel muggy outside. So temperatures, yeah, we're low 80s, couple upper 70s where we're still seeing some leftover clouds and rain, but the dew points have crept up. So it is thick outside. It'll remain humid throughout the rest of the night tonight, so you'll need the AC on. But look at the showers and thunderstorms we popped all along the lake breeze boundary this afternoon. These are what got going quickly. Brecksville, you were the first to see some heavier rain developed in areas of Geauga County, Ashtabula County as well. Everything fading as we're bringing not just some drier air in, but we're starting to lose that true daytime heating that we get in that early afternoon. So we'll go mainly clear and muggy tonight. We're back down into the mid 60s at best. Some of us will stay in the upper 60s to near 70 degrees, and we're quiet. Out towards the north and the west, this is our next system to watch. It's a pretty potent area of low pressure that's going to kind of spiral its way through the Great Lakes. Very similar to what we dealt with last Thursday. Remember the complex of storms we were watching coming out of Michigan? We had a warm, humid atmosphere around here, and we were watching how those storms would interact. But tomorrow's a little bit different because it's not a slam dunk. Last week, it looked like everything was coming at us. There's no way it misses us. This could miss us to the north. So just keep that in mind. Storm Prediction Center puts out these outlooks. We have an enhanced risk in western Ohio. You notice how the bullseye's in Michigan and western Ohio, and then we're dealing with possible severe weather here. This is how the latest modeling has it evolving. It'll be shower and thunderstorm complex that develops tonight up towards Minnesota and Wisconsin that we're watching. That will likely have severe weather with it as it rolls through southern Wisconsin tomorrow morning. Into the afternoon, it's moving across Michigan, likely as a nasty line of storms. But notice how the bulk of this stays off towards the north. Yeah, we get some showers and thunderstorms, but we don't get a direct hit from that. If that verifies, then I don't see a big threat of severe weather for us locally. Well, we have thunderstorms, sure, but if the bulk of that heads north, then I think we're in the clear in terms of widespread severe weather. But the other thing going against it is it's going to be hot and humid tomorrow. National Zymer hour by our forecast. We have a humid start. We're going to make our way towards 90 degrees tomorrow. Should be the second 90 of the year. So that unstable atmosphere, even if we're at the southern end of whatever's happening up there, could trigger a couple showers and thunderstorms that could go severe tomorrow afternoon, even if that is the case. Bottom line, we're going to let more computer model guidance come in, and we'll see the exact track of this storm. Join me tonight at 11. We should have a pretty good look at that. But either way, you notice how our model's pretty quiet with that. And then we deal with a quieter Thursday around here. The heat's the other story. Wednesday's hot, cooler behind that system on Thursday, but then we're back probably our hottest day of the summer on Friday before we get some relief this weekend already. In terms of storm coverage, we've got the complex to watch tomorrow. Friday we'll have isolated storms around here, but your best coverage of rain is going to be Saturday. And then Sunday we bring in drier air. Look at the muggy meter going from tropical to comfortable Saturday night into Sunday. This will set up next week for a beautiful start weather-wise. Union Home Mortgage 7-day forecast. There's your storm chances tomorrow and then Saturday and then drying out Sunday. Beautiful weather expected to start next week. We're back with sports on the other side of this break.